When you make pumpkin pecan pie, you can use a variety of pumpkin or squash. Of course, you can always go to the grocery store and buy a can of already prepared cooked pumpkin. But in this case, we are going to use some squash from the garden. These squashes, all squashes have a slightly varied personality. This is a butternut, this is a kurichi, but it's also called kuri, and this is a small sugar pumpkin. These two are delicatas, which are very good eating, and only if you needed to would you use them in a pie, but they would have to be pureed. A butternut has a very nutty, sweet flavor. I would recommend that, and that's what we'll be using today. Sugar pumpkins are also very good for pumpkin pie, and kurichi will make it a more orange color. You actually, in a kurichi, you use the skin of a kurichi. This one needs to be cleaned up a bit, but you would use the skin of this. And now we will use the butternut for our pumpkin pie today and prepare it.